Welcome back to another cleaning video. Today I'm going to be getting stuff done. So if you're needing some cleaning motivation, just keep watching. So I'm just starting out by doing some laundry, and then I'm going to clean up the laundry room. It gets very dusty in here. And then I'm taking this little gadget that I got at Walmart, and it's a little lint cleaner. So I'm sticking this in the dryer vent and just cleaning out any of the extra lint that has built up. On this particular day, I spent a long time cleaning, almost all day. In fact, so long that I had to break this video up into several videos. So stay tuned for future cleaning videos. I will be cleaning my boys' bathroom and the playroom in the other two videos. But for today's video, I'm just going through and cleaning miscellaneous areas upstairs and giving my carpets a deep clean.
the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. Then I saw you back before my time was shortened. No, throughout my life you've called me a renegade. Throughout my loves you said we could start again, but I'm a renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your love. Renegade of your love. But I'm a renegade of your throughout my life you called me a renegade, a renegade, a renegade, a I know better than to call back. I missed your call. I finally think I'm fine with that. I know it hurts when love bites back, but it's your fault. I wish you'd just accept that. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. Being weightless, got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams. I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding back any oceans. Your missed eyes in my future. All the skies, they will all look blue. I won't sacrifice no more pieces of me. I got a better place to be, where the only focus is me. Being weightless, got me feeling like I'm flying. I've been holding on to these dreams. I'm ready to take the leap, 'cause I've been holding back any oceans. Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm on to you. Used to pay to my love life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger. You get stronger.
my youngest bed, but you know what? I'm so tired and so out of breath. My oldest one will put his sheets on back no problem, but my middle child for the top bunk is probably going to give me some grief tonight when it's bedtime. He won't want to put that on, but you know what? His sheets are clean and he's going to help me because I am done. Thanks for watching. Bye. Levi!